Good Monday morning, everybody. It is about, let's see, it's about 20 minutes after 9 here in the low country, and the sun is shining bright. It's going to be about, it's going to be in the mid-60s today, and compared to what we've been having, that is welcome. Welcome. So with that being said, I'm going to get outside later on today and work on the boat. Yeah, I bought a boat last spring with the hopes of maybe getting back into some semi-competitive racing. And then I got sick with pneumonia and then the COVID, and the boat has been sitting all winter. And spring is coming. Anyway, but before I get out there and start working on the boat, I wanted to show you a little bit of what I've got done here at the bench. Got some work done on the helicopter. Built a little egg plane. Yeah, those are really freaking cool. Really, really cool. If you've never had the opportunity to build a Hasegawa egg plane, man, get yourself one because they are a blast. All right. So with that being said, I'm going to reset the camera and show you what we got going on. Be right back. All right, so what you see right here in front of you is the Airbus H145. It's a 1/32 scale kit from Revell of Germany. You've seen this before. I've showed you some work that I've done on it. I've had this thing apart together more times than I care to count. And we're finally getting ready to finish this boy up. Yeah. There's some good interior detail there. Oh crap. Some tape that I got to remove right there. You can see that. Well, maybe you can't see that. There's a little computer sitting behind the pilot and the co-pilot. Well, along with if you can see it right there above my thumb. There's your little Xbox 360, Xbox One, PS4, PS5 controller, whatever the hell that these guys have in there. Well, you know they're not playing video games and eating donuts. Man, that's not what cops do. Anyway, this guy's coming along nice. Set him over there, and then I'm going to grab this little guy because this is super cool. The egg plane by Hasegawa. Oh crap, let me see if I can get this up a little better for you. Will it sit there without falling? There we go. There we are. No, I do not have a canopy on it yet. I know that. The canopy's still drying. I dumped it in some clear future. And it's drying. Also got to do some work on the engine cans there. But all in all, great little kit. I am so glad that I finally bit the bullet and got me a couple of these guys. They did a series, the TH series, I think it's called. TH1 through, I do not know how high the number goes, but that's my goal, is I'm going to get them all. I have TH1, 2, and 4 so far, I think. I've only got 3 of them. But yeah. There's that. Not too much underneath, you know, just the standard egg plane stuff. So there you have it, guys and girls, if there's any girls watching. Yeah, so I'm not going to waste any more of your time. I'm going to get this uploaded and get outside and work on the boat. Until next time, everybody stay safe and stay healthy. Thanks for watching.